Hello everyone. For those of you who are wondering how to enroll in WISE2, how to enroll your students, ganito po gagawin natin. First is punta tayo sa wise2.churchofjesuschrist.org. Then enter. Let's sign in using our LDS account. Yan, naka-sign in na yun sa akin. Oops. Ayan, sign in. And then normally purple yung lalabas pag first time. Since I opened my account several times na, kaya ang lumalabas ay ganito. Pero normally ito yung lalabas. Purple ba yan or red? Red pala. Or di ko alam, medyo colorblind ako eh. And then select region, click ninyo Visayas Mindanao. Select a coordinator, Philippines Tagbilaran. Select a program, for example, Tagbilaran, no? Campus. So, ito normally yung klase ko. Example, lalagay ako dito. Make sure ninyo na tama yung year ninyo. 2023, 2024, and we are second semester. So, second semester na tayo. And then to enroll, kung makikita ninyo dalawa yung students ko dito, kung mag-e-enroll ako personally as teacher, i-click natin schedule. And then dito sa search, we will choose students in one stake or ward. Dito naman sa stake, we will choose Tagbilaran stake. And then pwede ninyong search yung last name lang or first name. In this case, yung sa asawa ko muna. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito na siya. Ibig sabihin, itong scheduled students, sila yung mga enrolled sa class ko. Kaya kung makikita natin sa summary, andyan na yung in-enroll ko. Okay, so that's it.